On this episode of Shiny G ADH Computer Repair, I show you Notepad 2. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you Notepad 2. What is Notepad 2? Well, this is obviously the second version of Notepad. This does not come with Windows 11. This is a download you can get. So, what I am going to do here is I'm going to show you how this works. So, I downloaded it. I will put a download link in the video description. So I've been wanting to try this for a long time, so let's get to it. Notepad is used for programming, and there are several different alternatives to it, this being one of them. If you ever used it, you can create code, networking people use it, and stuff like that. So, without further ado, let's install it. But, one thing to note, if you want to use the 64-bit version. So here we go. Alright, so here we go. It says Setup Notepad 2 version. It says Notepad 2. The version is 4.2.25. And here's the cool part about this. It is a replacement for the original Notepad. So this is an upgrade. And it's free too. So here we go. I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to be installing it. Notepad 2 has been installed successfully, so it just overwrites it. So I'm going to click OK, and if I type Notepad, it should come up. There we go. There we go. And as you can see up in the corner there, that it's the icon itself is a little different. Type's the same. And it's just basically a replacement. A better stuff, and if you're a programmer or you do networking work, I recommend this. So, that's all there is to it. You could still print from it. Yeah, you can still print. You could do word wrap. You could do format. You could do edit. You could file. Yeah, you could do everything that you could with the regular Notepad, Notepad 1. So, anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.